Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect GitHub Actions to deploy to AWS Lambda. Complete guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a GitHub account and an AWS account set up. Create a new repository on GitHub for your project. Navigate to the AWS Management Console. Select the Lambda service from the menu. Click on the Create Function button. Choose the option to create a function from scratch. Fill in the necessary details like function name and runtime. Select or create an IAM role that grants Lambda permissions. Click Create Function to finalize the setup. Make note of the function's ARN for later use. In your GitHub repository, navigate to the Actions tab. Click on Set up a workflow yourself. Create a new YAML file for your workflow configuration. Begin with the name key to define your workflow's name. Set on Push your branches main to trigger the workflow on new pushes. Define the jobs section for your deployment process. Under Jobs, create a job named Deploy. Set Runs on Ubuntu latest to specify the environment for execution. Add steps to define the sequence of actions in the job. Add a checkout step to pull the repository code. Integrate the AWS CLI by adding a step to install it. Use the AWS Actions/configure AWS credentials action to configure AWS permission. Set the AWS Access Key ID and AWS Secret Access Key using GitHub Secrets for security. Add a step to package your Lambda function using the zip command. Add a deployment step using AWS Lambda update function code. Specify the function name and the zip file location in the command. Commit the changes to your GitHub repository. Now, push your changes to the main branch. Monitor the Actions tab in GitHub for workflow execution. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.